Hey y'all, I'm back to show you some Lift the Flap books. So as you know, our Lift the Flap books are awesome. Kids love lifting the flaps, the surprise of information, little bite-sized pieces of information on every page. They're just amazing. So let's go ahead and get started. This is Look Inside How Computers Work. So love this one. Love this where the whole keyboard actually folds down. And it shows the inner workings of a computer. So this would be good for, I think, your older ones. I don't know if my boys would quite understand any of this. I mean, it's interesting and fun, but I would say at least 5 or 6 for this one, because there is a lot of information. Okay, so this one is $14, so this would just be, I'm going to do $8 for this one, even. All right. Osborne, Look Inside a Castle. So I got this for the book fair, so I have a few left over. And I just love it. It has like the drawbridge here, and they open it up. Creak. The drawbridge swings down so the visitors can cross the moat. Castles are so cool, right? And it has all the Lord and the Sir and the Adam who helped Sir Walter. One day Adam will become a knight himself. So there's like a little story too about all the different, queens and lords and all of that. So here's the stables that they can open up. This one is so cool. I have not looked through this yet. The servant is making a pie. They're preparing all the food. So I just love this. Tournament rules, siege, storming the castle. So this is a really, really great one to teach about. A great little history lesson too. So this one is also 14, so we're going to do $8 for this guy. Okay. Now we are getting into some more educational. This is Lift the Flap times tables. And this is great for teaching them that lovely, lovely multiplication, right? So this one has all the 3s here, 4s on this side, 5s on this side, and then kind of some fun, interactive little ways to teach them. Let's see, the captain makes 7 pirates walk the plank each day. How many pirates is that in 2 days? And they pull it down. 7 times 2 equals 14. So it's kind of like word problems too, kind of having them think about it, with pirates or, dragons. So that type of thing. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys, with the Ferris wheel. How cool is that? All right, so this says 12 times 11 is 132. So this is all the 12 times. Geez, I wouldn't even know this offhand. But isn't that cool? And then it shows them like little ways they can, this number machine can answer any times tables question as long as you know how to use it. So that's cool too. Yeah, so just love this one. This is great for any kid that's struggling with it, that learns better with like more fun stories and color and, interaction. So this is great. So $14, so we'll do $8 for this one as well. Next we have the same type of thing but with adding and subtracting. This would be great for preschool, kindergarten. Love this. Yeah, money puzzles. I'd like a cone and a cup. How much is that? So don't worry, you can share mine. It shows the prices and the cone and the cup, and then they have to add it together. Monster numbers. How cute. And they can add all of those there, and then they lift the flap and it gives them the answer. 17 plus 3 equals 20. So this one has been really popular. Once again, this is 14, so $8 for that one. Then we have the same thing with fractions and decimals. I think I need to go back and look at these. I was not good at math at all. Same price, $8. Another one, Lift the Flap measuring things. Love this. Same price, $8 for that one. And then this is more like a general knowledge. So my son Will loves this one, probably because there's a skeleton on the cover and he loves skeletons. But this is just little bite-sized pieces of information and facts and trivia that you may or may not know. Let's see, for instance, this talks about scientists. Let's see, when a ballet dancer spins around on one foot, it is called a pirouette. The formal term for a jump from one foot to the other in ballet is jeté. Of course, I know these, but a lot of people don't. Yeah, treasure trove, so lots of history lessons here. Has a timeline. So love this one, you guys. This is great for your little curious Nellies. This is 15, 14 as well, so we'll do $8 for that. How things work is also very similar, like how instruments work. Once again, lift the flap on every page. There's probably 5 or 6 on every page. How water slides work, airplanes, hot air balloons. Love that. Hair dryer. Let's see. When you turn on a hair dryer, electricity flows to a motor, which makes a fan spin around. The fan sucks air into the hair dryer and pushes it forward. Electricity flows up these wires. Cool as that, right? Escalators. All right, so the same price, $8. And then we have See Inside Space Station. Love this one too. So if you have a little person in your life that is into space and astronauts and space stations and how they work, this would be a great one. Lots of really cool flaps. Once again, $14, so $8 for this guy. See Inside Energy. So these are great for like if your kid is in a STEM, school, science, technology, all of that. This would be a great one. Let's see, energy from the ground. They open up this huge flap, turning fossils into fuels. Oh my gosh, so much information, you guys. Open that up. That's this fusion machine called ITER, I-T-E-R, is being built in France. What does it do? Inside a fusion machine, atoms are fired at each other. When they collide, they join together, releasing lots of energy, but it takes a lot of energy to get the process started. So really, really great for your budding scientists or engineers. All right, we have 2 more. We have Where Food Comes From. This is a great one. We get it at a market, but where is it grown and how is it delivered and how are the chickens fed and how are the cows fed? Love that. Here's all about gardening, great for summertime, springtime. We're still in spring, aren't we? Isn't this cool? So this shows around the world, from hot tropical jungles to cool rainy mountainsides. Some of the things you eat will only grow in particular places around the world. Olive trees grow in hot, dry conditions in Spain, Italy, and Greece. Olive trees are shaken to make the olives drop, and it shows how they actually pick them and process them. A little bit about bees there. This is a good one. I would definitely go with this one if you're going to get a new Lift the Flap. So once again, this will be $8. This isn't a Lift the Flap, but I know a lot of you guys have seen this one, Big Book of the Body. I have a few of these. It's a great one. It has these fold-out pages, so skeleton on that side, and then the muscular pictures on this side. And then it also goes into, how the blood is pumped. And then on this side, digestion. So this one's great. My boys love this one. They fold it out on the floor, and they can both look at it, which is great if you have more than one child. So this is a great one. This one is also $15, so we'll do $8. So these are basically all $8 because they're $14.99 books. So just comment below which one you would like, and that's it. We'll see you in a bit with another video.